attention for one moment. When you look around this house, Moon has a bedroom, right? She can shut her door. She can shut her door and have privacy, right?
Yeah.
If she wanted to go in there and mess around on the computer and not have anyone bug her, she could do homework, right?
Yeah.
Ernest has a man cave.
Mm-hmm.
All his. And he's
You're saying you don't have a room.
I'm just saying, if you really look about it, I don't have anywhere where I can do, like, sometimes it's really hard for me when I'm trying to write descriptions of dogs that I just met. I can't think if there's TV and kids and animals, you know what I mean? I don't have anywhere that I can go and have privacy. I do work. I put in about 30 hours a week between people and the dogs, okay? And that's if I don't have any cases open, which I have none right now from my counseling. I closed the 3 that I had in the last year. So that's going to be a family room, and besides, it's way too open to be quiet and private. So I think that it was a really big, generous step of me to tell Danielle that was her room back there.
Why does she even need a room?
Well, I don't think she does anymore. My new opinion is that should fucking be my room. Excuse my language. I would like it to be my office. Maybe put like a day bed where if she does ever decide to come back and spend the night, she's sleep on a freaking day bed like a freaking guest in the house. Instead of giving her her own room, she's ungrateful and rude. So why am I suffering and I don't even have a room?
Then don't.
For her, I'm not. I'm going to tell
Take it
I'm
away.
worried about telling him because no matter how mad he is at her, it's still his daughter.
So
And it's going to sound very rude of me to say to him, that's my room now.
She doesn't deserve a friggin' room.
I'd like to repaint it in soft, but I don't want to repaint it. She wanted us to repaint it. I could just move my stuff in there.
just put the computer in there, but put a password on it that she can't figure out.
Right. And just just put a little like a day bed in there, a futon. Oh, Moon, we give you a new real bed. Give her the futon. The uncomfortable one.
Yes, just get me like a mattress or something, and like.
Just sleep on the mattress.
Moon, you need a bed.
Mom, I don't want to start sleeping in my own room.
Just get a couch that can like fold out.
Yeah. That's originally what we were going to do, and she saw this futon and fell in love with it. And Bobby and I tried to tell her, you're going to hate it. She didn't listen. But now she learned, so we can just pass that off to the other room and get her a better one.
Look at my face.
Can't stop. That's what happens if I keep my mouth closed. This is painful.
Sespina. Please don't be Italian. Oh, good.
Hello, sweeting. Hello, sweetums. Hi, sweetums. This is our new kitten. His name is Mika.
Sakari Miki.
Oh yeah, actually it's Miki, not Mika. Mika.
Sakari Miki Kotalo.
and he's getting pretty PO'd right now.
Demakure.
No, like, pick him up by his, neck skin and just remember what he does. He goes, like, stuffed and mounded. Like normal, stuffed and mounded. I love you, Mommy.
You probably thought
Right
this
now,
kitten
you
was
don't
alive. Nope. He's not. He's dead. He's been taxidermized.
Tessa. Oh, can I hold him? I love this little kitten. Just want to hold his sweet. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. He always like starts purring. So cute. Oh, he's nuzzling against my boob. Of course.
Ow.
Oh, you have a wet little nose. Isn't that sweet?
There are foul noises coming from your body.
Wait, hold on. So So this is their neck flap, right?
No.
My life.
Take a little kitty cat now.
You're gonna puke, and then I'm gonna flip out.
I'm not gonna puke.
Oh, look at his bow.
Okay, I'm gonna vomit. How's that?
Hold your breath.
Okay, you really get control over bodily functions. I will vomit.
Oh, Mom, he's about to pounce on you. He was just about to.
Come here, Stephen. Come here.